Hello, and welcome to our video on the Program Materials quadrant of the CSU application. This section includes information specific to the campuses and programs you are applying to. It also includes additional questions and requirements these programs may have. Let's get started. Programs with a checkmark have no further questions for you and are considered complete. That said, each campus does provide important information in this section, and as such, it is still recommended that applicants look through each tile in this quadrant. Let's focus on those without a checkmark. Just below the campus banner, you will see additional tabs. These tabs will vary by campus and program. The first tab, labeled Home, will contain campus and/or program information, deadlines, and any other instructions they may have for you. Some of the other tabs you may see are Questions, Documents, or Prerequisites. We're going to start with Questions. The Questions tab may have multiple choice or open-ended questions. They may be as simple as verifying that you have completed the Golden 4 courses or entering your GPA, or they may require more in-depth information, such as asking you about what type of coursework you have completed in preparation for your major, or requiring you to write an essay. Next, let's go over what you might see in the Documents tab. In the Documents tab, you may see two different sections, Required Documents and Optional Documents. If the program requires you to upload anything, make sure that your Social Security number is concealed and verify that the file is saved in one of these acceptable file types. Then, confirm that the document isn't password protected. Next, simply click Add Document and choose the files you would like to upload. Once the upload is complete, review the document to ensure that the formatting hasn't been altered. If the program lists optional documents, you may either upload them or select the I am not adding any documents option at the bottom. Now, let's check out what you might see in the Prerequisites tab. In order to complete the Prerequisites tab, you must first finish your college coursework tile, or you will see this message. Once you have indicated that you have completed entering your courses on the college coursework tile in the academic history quadrant, then you will be able to identify your prerequisites. To do this, click Assign Course. Then, click the plus sign next to the course that fulfills the prerequisite. If applicable, you are able to match multiple courses to one prerequisite. You can then click the Save and Exit button or use the drop-down list here to assign courses to your other prerequisite requirements if you have more than one. If you're not sure what class satisfies the prerequisite listed, we suggest using assist.org or contacting your counselor for assistance. If you stuck with us through the tutorial series so far, then this is the last section of the application and you're ready to submit. We have one more video, Submitting the App, for you to check out. See you there.